Hey everybody, how's it going? So, when I was looking for a new place for my store, I included all of you in on the process, and I learned a lot as a result of including you all on the process. And I think as a result of taking in everybody's opinion, I was able to find the best deal by far. Many agents, brokers, realtors told me that when I finally found a space that was $79 a square foot that was dilapidated, I should just take it because that's still such an amazing deal to be in Midtown Manhattan. Across the board, everybody said that you're not going to find better. And I kept looking, and I took the lead that came from someone from YouTube, actually, and I found the place that I have now, which was $66 a square foot and actually in pretty good condition. The floor was wobbly and there's a little leak in the office, but otherwise it's an amazing condition, even by $79 to $100 a square foot standard, and it was 66 a square foot. And I made the mistake at that point of keeping all of you out of the decision to choose a contractor. As a result, I was stressed. I was paying $200 to $400 a day in rent. I thought I have to find someone immediately. I can't make time for all this YouTube stuff. And I got a trusted referral from someone that I used to work for 12 years ago who owned their own business. It was one of the first real jobs that I had. And as a result, I got Eugene's. So I learned a valuable lesson there, which is include the audience in on this stuff as much as possible because I know where I know my stuff and I also know where I don't know my stuff. And in here, I don't at all. So all of you have been giving me a lot of good advice regarding neighborhoods, what to look for, books to read. I think I found the neighborhood that I like. Erica and I spent a lot of time driving around a lot of different neighborhoods, checking them out, trying to get an idea of where would make sense from both a commute point of view and just general quality of life point of view. And I like this particular neighborhood that I was going over in this video, and I was going over all the houses here, and I've been getting a lot of help from all of you. Thank you for everybody who reached out to me, especially Mike, for the incredible education you've been giving me regarding home shopping. How to tell if a roof is in good condition, how to tell if the plumbing and electrical is right, all these little tidbits on insulation, here's where you should feel on the wall if you're viewing houses in the winter to get an idea of how insulated, all sorts of really good quality stuff. So I was going to be viewing two of these here, the 5 Locust and 104 Slaby, and I was kind of curious from all of you, what is it that you should be looking for if you are walking through the place? Like, what specifically, when you look at those, are items that you would want to look over very closely prior to purchasing? What advice do all of you have? Again, this is a process that I'm fairly new to. I've read 2 books on purchasing houses, but otherwise, again, this is something that I'm really outside of my wheelhouse in. I'm not, and the thing that I think I have on my side, as with the store search, is at least I'm not in a rush. So with the store, I was paying an exorbitant amount of money per month, and I needed to start extracting money out of that, which was kind of different than a home purchase transaction. Like, the house is going to be there. I don't make my money from the house. I'm not a landlord or looking to be a landlord. It's to live. So I am not in a rush. I can take my time and, kind of figure out if something is a good deal. I can take my time with an inspection. I can take my time in doing my research. So I think I'm in a different position here, but I'd really like to include people in the process as much as possible, and just as a way of saying thank you for all the help that I've gotten from all of you for free, which has been really kind of you all. So a lot of these, as most of you are probably new and were already laughing at, there's a lot of stuff that just stays on Zillow even once it's way off the market, just because the brokers don't update the listings or take the time to. But I was gonna take a look at this one, and I'm just kind of curious what you all have to say, what you think, and that's it for today. And hopefully, I will have an opportunity to learn something. And again, thank you very much to Mike for sending me all these emails, giving me all these little tidbits of things that I should be looking for, and really kind of teaching me how to tell things. So just today, I learned how to tell if a roof, get an idea at least if a roof is in decent condition or not, just from eyeballing it. There's lots of cool little tidbits like that are going to be incredibly valuable when searching for a home. So I'm going to stop rambling at this point, and I'll see you all later. And I am excited at the prospect of not living within the 5 boroughs anymore after living here for almost 32 years. Going to a place where you have a lawn, a backyard, peace and quiet, little birdies. Erica's looking at me. She doesn't want the little birdies. Little birdies?
I don't mind little birdies, but
Erica doesn't like having cats outside, but I have a feeling that the moment we get a place that has birdies, she's gonna put Mr. Clinton outside, and then I'm not gonna hear the chirping anymore. But anyway, see y'all later. I'm gonna stop rambling, and yeah, see you.